Alright, what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to remove a purchase order line from a PO that you've created. So for example, let's go to acquisitions and take a look at a purchase order. And the purchase order has to be in review. If you've packaged a bunch of PO lines onto a purchase order and you clicked the Save and Continue button, it's going to change the status of the purchase order to sent, and you won't be able to edit anything on the purchase order. So before you click the Save and Continue button when you're packaging a purchase order, you need to go look at the PO lines, and to do that, click Acquisitions and then click Purchase Order Review. So this is going to display all the purchase orders that you have in review right now. So right now we just have one. And you see that this total price for this PO is $913, and we have 25 purchase order lines. It would be a good idea to click Edit and go ahead and check your PO line list and make sure that everything that is on here is supposed to be on here before you click Save and Continue. If there is something that needs to be taken off, then what you can do is click Edit and then click Remove from Order, and that's going to remove, and you click Confirm, and that's going to remove the PO line from this purchase order. The PO line that you just removed is not going to show up in the PO lines to package page until you click Acquisitions and go to Purchase Order Lines Review. And then you're going to have to, now I have, one of them is assigned to me to look at, and this is in review, and I assigned it to myself because I added a receiving note that says mandatory information is missing or erroneous, or click on Unassigned, and that will take you to the tab that displays all of the purchase order lines that maybe haven't been assigned to a staff member or don't have a receiving note. So you see here that this purchase order line says in review. What we want this to say is manual, I think it says manual packaging. So you do that by clicking Edit, and then you're going to click on the Save and Continue button, and then you can go to Purchase Order Package, and it says manual packaging. And so that's how you take this off the purchase order. And if you look at the purchase order review page, you'll see that now we have 24 PO lines because we just removed one.